Hello, it's been quite a long while. Um, yes, I'm doing the beard thing now, because fuck it, why not? Since like a lot of fucking in-between shit and mental breakdowns and everything else, long story short, I had relatives try to trick me into thinking that my house, my truck, all my money, all my assets and everything else belonged to them and not me. But thank God we have these things called lawyers, police officers, and other people you can really fucking talk to, plus legal documents. Oh, but they try. Oh, no, that's not the way it is. I'm not going to explain that type of situation. Uh, it got so bad, the lying and everything else was fucking with my head much worse than when my dad was alive and he'd fuck with my head. It's my house now, and I'm doing pretty good. Work in progress. This is going to turn into an actual gaming room. I'm eating that bed, putting it up. It's a trophy of mine, not because of sex things, but because, like, I knocked the fuck out of somebody that tried coming after me. I wish I could do it again. Yeah, any whore. Alright, so, like, basically, like, I took Fallout 4, and I played with the mod cheat thingy, mabobber motherfucker, and, I wanted to make it as much like Fallout 76 PVP as I could. Let's see here. Sorry for yakking. I've just dealing with crazy people fucking sucks. I damn near went crazy. I bought an over-the-counter natural fucking type of thing to help with my mind and everything else. It's called ashwagandha, and good God, if you've never been plagued with depression, anxiety, and paranoia, if you try that shit, it levels you out, and it's all natural. It's all natural. It's not laboratory bullshit. Somebody at work recommended to me that had type of issues. It's not fucking perfect. It's not always going to make every bad feeling go away, but it's nice to be. Plus this shit too. Oh, man. Yak, 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 yak. Okay. I'm not at the glowing sea. Alright. Oh, fuck. Is everybody already dead? Oh, fuck. Okay, there's this, like, strange phenomenon and shit where you have to keep fucking with OBS if you have a capture card and whatnot else. Okay, right now I'm just in the glowing sea fucking around. Like, I remember seeing, like, Reddit posts of people that would have really liked to have farmed in an explosive laser, which with the cheat terminal mod, I'm on Xbox, I brought the thing to life, except you don't want the beam splitter. As far as I know, I ain't fucked with every fucking mod, but that's how you can get an explosive laser in Fallout 4. There's no Gatling way to get a Gatling plasma that I'm aware of, but just you can there you go, that's the closest you're gonna fucking get. My follower, I don't know what the fuck happened with him. I was dicking around in the glowing sea. And then you got the good old... Which, a cool thing, like, you can give your followers, especially with a cheat terminal, you can give them Tesla rifles, exploding laser, all sorts of stupid dumb shit, and they will fucking use it. Especially they will use the stealth boys. I don't know if they even use the fucking quantums. Psycho buff. And this is one of the, because I have the fucking realistic gun mod to make NPCs a little bit harder to fuck with. Sometimes I really do have to get in power armor. This isn't supposed to explode. I just applied the effect with the cheat terminal. Like even, let's see here. I have a full set of leather assassins, and I've decided to fuck with this because when I need to like hit a cola off the fucking D-pad shit, that actually helps out a lot. Here showed in the Distant Butterfly Gang the exploding plasma rifle I put together. It's basically Experiment 18A with just I changed the effect on it to make it explosive, and this thing's pretty fucking dope. Doing this shit was fun for 3 days, until you get bored, you want to fight other people, but those days when we used to use this shit, they're pretty much gone. They're pretty much dead. So, I know I wasn't going to do the Fallout shit anymore. I'm going to go ahead and... Closest thing I can to the old days. I'm going to go attack Diamond City and annihilate it like it's a workshop. Like I said, it's fun for 3 days, but maybe some of you people come up with stupid shit. Like, I wanted to, like, mod it out and, like, edit the video and make it, like, a Fallout 76 PVP video. Everybody leaves 76 to go to Fallout 4 to get away from all the fucking stupid shit, and Paladin Pack took over, and all these fucking, like, just basically, like, the fucking main PvP people that bitch about one another in some way or fashion. Like, make up one story out of it, exaggerate everybody, and go from there, and everybody has a good old hee-hee. But I didn't get around to that. Alright. I'm gonna dip out of that. Got my full set of Sentinel. I'll use the laser. I didn't even need to do that, really. Alright, let's just start killing motherfuckers. Look at all these food belts. Don't know PvP. Oh, y'all getting too close to comfort. Make me stagger, you fucking assholes. I'm not gonna let you win. I'm not gonna let you win. I will thin you out one way or another. Fuck, I missed marsupial. Made this such a wonderful video. Oh, somebody took my gun on that. You're done. Let's go back to the laser. I know a lot of people want the fucking goddamn laser in this game. Fuck that shit. I think they're hiding. I think they're hiding in the houses. Bye. If I killed Blake or Drake, the railroad motherfucker yet, I don't know. Alright, that's fine. I'm gonna go destroy shit. Hi, everybody! Ha ha! Oh, look at these food belts hiding! Look at them! Oh! The first rule of Fallout 76 is don't build food! Dupe it! Oh, I'm gonna break everything. I wish I could break the city, but this is the closest thing to breaking what they have. I don't have a lot of really good comedic anything. I'm just fucking off and stupid. I ain't done shit in a while. I want a better mind frame. Alright. Do they have any more food I can break? Oh, there's some more food? No, that's the... Oh, shit! Fuck yeah, kill their pet Brahmins. Perfect! Perfect! Oh, there's all the food building bullshit! There we go! I gotta fucking redo my shit. I took PvP into Fallout 4 and it is not very interesting. Go. Fuck these NPCs, they're getting the treatment. Not a very enthusiastic treatment, but they're getting a treatment. Fuck it, let's see what the laser does. Should load faster. I don't recommend the beam splitter if you make an explosive laser in Fallout 4. Who the fuck hit me? Fuck you, Dr. Bitch. Dr. Vagina? If you survive that, I don't know how. I'm gonna finish breaking your fucking camp, though. Honest to God, the cheat terminal isn't as bad as, like, all this shit in, like, Fallout 76. Okay, I broke all the craps. Can't break anything else that I know of. I didn't even have to pop a stealth boy. Oh, there we go. What the fuck? Oh, no, you're not gonna be immune. No, come here. I didn't even see your health bar drop. Son of a bitch. Why can't I fucking damage him? I don't think there's anything left. I don't think there's anything left to fuck with. I think you're fucking with cola though. Oh, wait. No. Oh wait, that's that immortal motherfucker. He's got the affliction. And that's how fun turning Fallout 4 into Fallout 76 simulated PvP is. It's so fucking fun for about 3 days, and then it's not really, it's kind of like, fuck this. Just like the actual game was after so long. Call security! Alright, there we go. This is the best I can fucking do right now.